Hello, Professor C here, and we are now looking at data validation that is better. In my previous video, which I hoped you watch, it was a data validation example that was just okay. This one is getting better. More better, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So let's come in. Here's a comment. We come down here. We set a variable called iTest to 0. And then we stay in this loop until they give me a non-zero positive number. And why didn't I use a 4? Well, remember, a 4 doesn't really lend itself to this. A 4, you tell it start at a number and end at a certain number. And here, I don't know how many times it will take for them to give me a valid input. It could be the first time. It could be 10 times. It could even be 10,000. So let's try running this program. I'm going to put it over here. So right now, I hope you see the code is waiting for me right here. I set iTest1 to 0. We come to here. While iTest1 is less than or equal to 0, input, convert to an integer, and put it here and come back and test. So here we are. I'm going to put in -5. Notice I had set to 0, then I put a -5, and it comes back up. Is -5 less than or equal to 0? And if you said true, notice it comes back here, and I put in 0. And it goes back up yet for a third time because 0 is less than or equal to 0. That's true. So here I am, and I'm going to put in a test score of 100, which I hope you all get. 100 gets converted to integer and puts into here. We come back up, and I ask you, is 100 less than or equal to 0? True or false? And if you said false, it skips over, and the code goes on. I'm going to run the program a second time. And I'm going to put in 95 the first time. So 0 is set to iTest. iTest is less than or equal to 0. And we're right here. I put in 95. 95 is successfully converted to integer, put into here. It comes up. And I ask you, iTest1, which has the value of 95, is it less than or equal to 0? True or false? If you said false, it skips over or skips out of the while and continues on. And it only goes through one time.